You know what I have just experienced that most of us are in the habit of adding artist complicated advanced level vocabulary to our conversation, but we never try to insert some small simple phrases into our conversation. We just take them for granted. We never try to understand the real meaning of them. So today I have brought a phrase. I mean, two phrases are there, but we'll know the differences. So, first one is come with, or second one is come up with. Okay. Now, come with. Come with means to go together with someone. It's very common, everybody knows about it. She did not come with me to the party. They have not, uh, they haven't come with us to the seminar. She didn't agree to come with them uh, to the fair. Okay, so come with someone, it means to go together with someone. It's a kind of physical movement. But when we say come up with, it means, it's not physical movement or going somewhere. It means come up with some plan, come up with some solution, come up with some idea. It means you to think, to plan, to find a solution. Okay, she did not come up with a plan as we have decided, or I have come with an idea about this issue and I'm going to find the solution. So remember that this is very small differences, that is come with, it means physically going with someone, and you all are very much aware of this phrase. And come up with, it means, to think. It is not that something physical. It means, thinking, planning, getting some ideas, come up with a plan, come up with an idea. Okay, so this is very nuance, very small differences you can find while talking to someone, but it make great differences. Okay,